What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, guys. Now after this throwback video, I'm going to give you guys one more, which is of my personal favorite car, another G35. But just for today, we're going to go ahead and do this video, the Infiniti G37, and actually the G35 tomorrow video will be the last video, like I said, guys. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Now this video, we got a 2010 Infiniti G37, and I'm showing the bumper and everything right now because this bumper, the car was in a wreck. So the whole car was in a wreck and the whole front end was gone. I believe the hood as well. The guy who actually owned the car had actually got in contact with me, and he showed me some pictures and everything. I'm not sure if I still have those pictures, but of when he bought it from the auction, and he had bought it in 2010 because it is a 2010. So he had spent, forgot the number he told me, but it was like a very, very high number that he spent on the car, and he wound up, fixing it, the whole front end and everything. But when I bought it, I didn't, in 2010 when he paid for it, I see why he paid for it because it's a brand new car. But me, at this time, it was this was like 2 years ago from now, so I paid only $4,800 for it, out the door, with fees and everything. Yeah, it was a nice car, man. It was a very, very fast car, way faster than the G35s. Like, let me just tell you guys right off back, the 3.7 liter in this car and the 3.5 liter in the G35 are totally different, guys. Like, you can hit 100 in this car in no time. Like, these are some, I didn't expect it to be that much faster than the G35, but it is. But all the locks and everything work with the doors. I sold this car for $5,600, and I forgot to mention, guys, that since it was in a wreck before, it did have a rebuilt title. So that had a lot to do with why I sold it for $5,600, because the title was rebuilt, which means it was salvaged at one point, but I bought it rebuilt. Me personally, I don't buy salvage cars. I just buy them with clear titles or rebuilt titles, so I can just turn around and then just resell the car. But like I said, guys, very nice car, man. Backup camera and everything. It didn't have navigation though, but heated seats, AC work, heat work, push to start, everything like that. So appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you tomorrow on the last throwback video. After that, brand new content coming for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.